I think that says it's from Santa. Why don't you open it up?
See what's inside. Wes, can you go around behind it so we can see it?
Move it out. Move it out into the room. Pull it out. There you go. Oh.
That's what you asked Santa for. The big car transporter.
Oh, let me see. Turn and show me.
A big.
Oh, that's
Wow,
so cool.
cool.
Wesley, should we open it up? Open it up. Santa got you what you asked for.
Take it. A big.
Or on the table. Coffee table.
This is my big nut.
Yeah.